Hi guys, the video I did unboxing and giving this little car a run has just gone public, and I've had a few comments on it. A few about the batteries, because this seems a little bit underpowered to me, and somebody suggested running it on a 2S LiPo instead of the 2S lithium ion. There is a minor difference in the voltage, I guess. Anyway, that prompted me to look at recharging the batteries that came with it. Sorry if that was a bit fast. I've actually got 3 of them because I ordered the pack that had the 2 extra batteries with it. But there's a little problem. The connector they have on them, this one, is different to the one that my charger has, the JSTs. As it happens, I've got a pack of these connectors that I bought for something else. So I made myself up an adapter lead. But there is a problem which I've spotted and fixed, but I'll show you what I did. Right, as they come in that pack, these ones, if we plug it in there, you might notice there's a little bit of a problem there. Red goes to black and black goes to red. So you'll be chucking your voltage supply in the wrong direction. Now, I did just check, get the meter there. So if I put black on black, red on red, 8.15 volts, positive, the right way round. So it's not the batteries that are wired wrong, it's this pack of leads that I've got are reversed. I mean, they may be for a different purpose, but whatever they are, they're reversed compared to these batteries. So, as I say, I've corrected it on there, so you'll see we got red to red, black to black, and then through there, red to red, black to black. So we're charging it the right way round. So that one's being charged at the moment. But that's probably practically fully charged. It might go beep in a minute while we're chatting. Right, these connectors. Actually, that's the one I want to swap. I want those to be reversed to what they are there. So to reverse them, I found a pin. Right, back again, just an ordinary pin, and looking up inside there, do we want to go macro? I suppose we ought to. Right, I've just discovered something new about my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G phone that I'm using to film. It doesn't actually film in macro mode. So that's a bit of a failure. It took still pictures, but it didn't do macro mode. So I can't show you close up what I was doing. All I was doing was using the pin to push down that little tab just there that holds the pin in place so that I could swap it over. Okay, so if that's that way up, we want the red on my right. They're gripping well. So that's as it comes from the manufacturer, or as mine came from the manufacturer, and that's the modified one, swapped over the other way. So now, if if I hold them apart so they don't short out, put it on the right way round. Yeah, got red to red, black to black. So put that on there. That on there, and it comes out the right way round. Take that off, put that one on, again holding it apart so we don't short the ends out. So that's as it came from the manufacturer. Black on there, red on there, and you can probably see the minus sign on the voltage. So just a little thing to watch out for. It's just occurred to me that if I want to put a LiPo battery in the car, then obviously I need the reverse of that, don't I? I need one of these with a female connector on it, with those reversed over. That should be a little bit easier to do. That's quite clearly visible where the little pins are, or little tags that stick up. So if I push that down, I should be able to get it out. There we go. So if we look at it that way up, I want the red on that side. Yeah. Right, so that's reversed. So that matches the one that I've just made. So I'll solder up one of these. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.